Entree!
Oh, blimey. Oh, dear. That's terrible, that there.
Hello, hello, David.
Hello. Hello.
There's Jerry.
Hello, Neil.
Come in and make yourself comfortable.
Comfortable I will be.
Would you like a glass of wine?
No.
Oh, okay then. That's good. Right.
No, I've given up caffeine.
We're inside the boat at the moment, and it's the first time this year when it's been cold, damp.
Miserable?
Well, we're not miserable.
No, we're always happy.
Yes.
But your gangplank
Yes.
is covered in green slimy stuff, which might cause us to fall
Yes,
into...
and we're going to try and make
with no mud.
when we have the next high tide, we're going to bring the boat towards closer to the gangplank so that people can just step onto it. We could do like a tour of the boat
Yes.
for the viewers, and we could start off by, somebody coming in, and then we can sort of talk about what we've got. We've got the wine cellar,
The leak?
the leak in the room. Yes, we have a leak. We've discovered it's quite a bad leak actually. But luckily, most of the time, the boat is sitting on the muddy water, which is why this is called the Muddy Water Book Club. Da! That was good, wasn't it? What on earth were we talking about before?
No idea.
No.
Students and...
Oh yes, getting a student.
YouTube
We need
video
a student
expert.
to come along from a university to help us with our YouTube venture.
Why don't we put something on Facebook? There's got to be a Facebook group for university.
We need a banner for the YouTube channel.
I
All
think
on that bit.
I've messed up on that. I think we need to rethink it. But you need the central area for YouTube. You have to have that main strip which appears everywhere, and the bit above and the bit below on laptops and TV. So you have to think of all of these things. It's quite difficult.
It's quite difficult, and we also have to have the circular picture.
Yes.
And is that going to be of you and me, or you and me and Jerry, or you and me and Jerry and the YouTube expert?
Yeah, the thing is, it's very male orientated, isn't it? So would that frighten off lots of women? I just fear that maybe if we put the logo in the circle rather than have our faces in the circle, that because I mean book clubs are not being sexist, but they are primarily a women's domain, aren't they?
Yes.
And this is something that we need to adapt to. We love women, all three of us love women, and we want to encourage them, don't we?
Yes, we do. I mean, actually, I will find that very easy to do because I'm very much in touch with my feminine side, I think.
Yes.
So I've been told.
Yes, no, I've heard that.
Yeah, I've seen that.
In action, yeah.
What with the dresses that I wear?
And the wig. And the makeup.
Yes, but it's lovely. Now you need the lighting on. Oh, that's it.
Ooh.
Fantastic.
I told you we needed makeup.
Okay. Now, I knew what we were going to talk about, but I've forgotten now.
Content.
Oh, content.
And
Yes.
content is, what is it?
King.
King.
Well done,
Yes,
Jerry.
right.
Yes.
So-
I'm learning.
So here we are, ladies and gentlemen. We're on the boat, and we're having a meeting to discuss the content of our new venture of YouTube channel called Muddy Water, the Muddy Water Book Club.
So there will be meals, there will be wine, there will be recommendations for both, but there'll also be recommendations for the music of the night.
Yes.
And tonight, I'd just like to say, Wilco Johnson, R.I.P. We'll be playing one of his tracks very shortly.
What? Milk and alcohol.
I have that on my phone ready. Yes.
Dr. Feelgood, milk and alcohol. Well, we haven't got that, but we do have.
I do have it, and we'll play it later. You can cut that in later, so it will be seamless.
Seamless. But we're three elderly gentlemen, and this is all.
Very polite, Neil.
This is all completely new to us, isn't it? That we don't actually. We're learning as we go along, but luckily we've got Mr. Tech, Jerry Davis, with us, and he's already got us this lovely light that shines on our faces. So we've got Jerry Davis as Mr. Tech, and David Roberts and I are what are we?
We know a little bit about how you make a book.
What we should do is to have a little an informal discussion about what the content is going to be. What the viewers would like to see is familiarity, continuity every week, so they learn to expect certain things, like what is the wine of the week. The wine of this week is this one, the Finca Las Moras. It's a Malbec. That's this week's wine.
Or I love Sauvignon Blanc. £6.97
From the post office.
from the post office
In Wivenhoe.
in Wivenhoe, which we all like to support.
We all like to support because they are.
Mostly, we're going to take you through the process of how a book is created, improved, published, and it's not going to make you any money. I'll be able to tell you that.
It might. Well, actually, no, that's not true. It is possible to make some money. It is possible.
But what we want to do is we want to make you feel as though your book can be out there, can be read by as many people as possible, and there are ways in which, very easy ways in which that can be facilitated. You can have a paperback, an ebook out there. You may not imagine that's possible, but in this day and age, nothing could be simpler.
Mr. Mannering.
So I'm Neil Watson, and I am a writer thanks to David Roberts, because he's a real writer, and he's a publisher and editor, and so without David I wouldn't be a writer. Isn't that true to say?
Well, I'm sure you would have found somebody else.
Well, yes, but but not as good as you, David.
Well, I've been working on books since 1974, which probably means if you're watching this, you weren't even born then.
Got any other ideas that we can talk about?
Well, I've got 12, 13 authors that have all written books. They all come from a different background. They're all different perspective. Just sharing whatever they're feeling about how they got their first book published. But now I enjoy publishing any author that will entrust me with their book.
Some time ago, I wanted to do on this boat a pirate radio station. And I discovered that Jerry had something to do with Wivenhoe Radio. He said, "That's a good idea, Neil. I'll help you to do it." And he certainly did.
We also sent it out via the internet with Radio Wivenhoe, so people could pick it up internetally. And we had great fun.
Incidentally,
Yeah, I'm making up words.
Well, I think that's quite a good one, actually.
Good one.
Incidentally, I'm going to remember that.
I want that in the book.
Yeah.
In the book.
Yeah.
There'll be a guest of the week. So, for example, there's somebody that I've been working for today who is a reviewer of books for magazines, and she could be on the boat talking about what it is that she's looking for to pick out your book to write about. So that's an example of one of the topics we'll be talking about.
All of the things that we want to discuss are all about the process. It's all about the process of how you get that book published, because you could sell a book in Australia, Tunisia, Ghana, wherever, and have it delivered tomorrow if you knew how to operate the system. And the system is not that complicated. Everybody who writes a book these days can get it published.
Even if you're thinking about writing a book, or the psychology behind it, like the process that goes through your mind.
Yeah.
Can I do this? Advice.
And the advice.
is,
do you remember
the advice
the
is
key person?
Don't expect to make any money.
That's lesson 1, but lesson 2. Do you remember lesson 2 from me?
What, to me?
Yes.
From you to me?
Yeah.
Just write anything. Write drunk, edit sober.
You got it.
Light drunk, get it sober. That's it. That's it. Well, no, we don't drink a lot. We drink.
It's a drinking village with a fishing problem.
Yeah, no. What is that? There is a real thing about that, isn't there, for Wivenhoe?
Yeah.
It is a
Drinking village with a fishing
problem.
a drinking village with a fishing problem. No, it's more than that.
It's not.
No, it's a small drinking village with a large fishing problem. For those who don't know where Wivenhoe is, it's in Essex, and it's the nearest. The nearest city is, or it's a city.
It's a
as
city.
of today.
Tonight
As of
is a
today,
city.
Oh, right.
it's gone from being
I
a
think we should
town
raise our glasses.
to a
It's
city.
Colchester
So here's to
city.
Colchester.
Yeah. So have to change all those signs going into the town.
What,
the city.
what
now.
the oldest town in the
Yes,
UK?
yeah, the oldest town, but now a city.
Yes.
It was
Yeah,
it was a city when the Romans were here. They did. Watling Street. There's one.
Yeah.
Do you know any others? The M1? No.
No,
No, they
not
didn't do
really.
that one, did they? No, that was.
But their roads that they built didn't have any potholes in them.
No. And what are we left with today?
Potholes. We're trying to be serious on this boat, aren't we?
No.
Talking about our.
No, as you probably gathered, viewers, this is not going to be a serious.
No,
way
there's
of
something
how to
else.
publish a
There's
book.
something else.
Well,
This
get
is.
on with it, because I've got 2 minutes left before I have to go to a meeting.
Oh, okay, right. I'll be very quick. Okay.
And I want to go to the loo. So
Is that it? Oh, you can come to the
Okay.
Legion with me.
Oh,
Right.
again! Yes! Oh, how very nice.
Okay.
That's a tradition, isn't it, now? Yes.
So this isn't going to be a YouTube channel only about writing and publishing. It's also going to be about
Going to the
Ha-
toilet.
no. It's going to be about how we do a YouTube video, the technical side of it,
Oh, well,
and how do we do it?
Oh, who knows?
Like, how do we do the lighting? How do we do the sound?
Look, your thing is
It's
absolutely
by the way,
amazing.
it's flashing. What does that mean?
No, it's always been flashing.
Oh, has it?
Yes.
Is it? I don't know.
No, it
I'll
was.
tell you,
This,
I've
this,
ordered one.
this, ladies and gentlemen, is a battery. It's like the size of a phone, and we're able to plug the light into that, and it's given us the light. It's fantastic.
And it will also charge a car.
Yeah, well, not charge a car,
Oh,
start a
start a
car,
car.
start a car.
And apparently a jumbo jet as well. Is that right?
No.
Oh, right, okay. No, okay.
And it's only £35 on Amazon in their
Yes.
Black Friday sale.
We're not being sponsored by Amazon, but
Sponsored by-
sponsorship.
Yes.
That's the next thing.
No, oh,
It's
the light's gone out. That's the best bit, folks. Oh, we were just about to talk
The
about.
light's gone out. We're just saying how great the battery pack is, and it's just run out of battery.
Time to go.
And we're going to be starting this YouTube channel, by the way, the first week of January, or maybe the second week of January.
Or July.
No, we're going to do it in January. And did you hear that noise?
Yeah.
There's a noise, and that's because we've used up too much power already.
Uh-oh.
So it's making a noise now. Like, you might be able to hear this like high-pitched noise at the moment. That means the boat is about to blow up. Da 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 da.